So what do we have here today? This is an awesome build.
This is a 68 Camaro. It's an RS, had a 327. We wanted to keep it as original as possible. So with the hood closed, there is absolutely no indication that this is an electric car. So up front we have one battery box. We have another one in the trunk. We are running LG Chem batteries.
Okay.
And we have the Revolt motor setup.
That's tucked right in there, right?
Tucked right back in there. The shiny parts that you can see, obviously, that's the inverter. It has a torque trends gear reduction box to a drive shaft.
600 plus horsepower.
Yes.
That's awesome.
With that much power, obviously, you want better suspension. So we've got a Pro Touring setup underneath. We've got a Heights full-length rear end.
Okay.
And we're running coilovers, disc brakes, obviously. We have the iBooster electronic brake booster.
What is this here?
That is the contactor box.
Contactor box. And how big is the battery pack for this?
Together it's 32 kilowatt hour. We've retained all the original badging. This is a survivor car. It's completely original.
Can we look over here?
Absolutely.
Now this looks like it would be perfect for cruising.
This is
a convertible.
This is a very speedy cruiser.
And what about all these gauges?
Those are from Speed Hut.
Speed
Those
Hut?
are digital but made to look
Oh,
authentic.
nice.
Yes.
Here's
This is
the
our
other
rear
battery.
box. Charge port right there. Hidden behind the original RS badging.
That's very cool. What is the charger that you guys are using? Level 2?
Level 2. Yep.
Excellent. This is such a good looking car.
Yeah, everything underneath is built to withstand the torque, the speed, the stopping, and the go fasting.